Choking. Choking is a form of asphyxia which is caused by mechanical occlusion within the air passages by some solid object. That is inhalation of some solid object into the respiratory passages. And this object excites violent coughing to get it out. But when this is unsuccessful in expelling that object, then the choking results. And this is important, the size of the object is not important because even a small object, when it touches the lumen of the respiratory passages, it will excite intense spasm of the vocal cords and fatal consequences will result. In epileptics, the tongue may fall back against the posterior pharyngeal wall during the attack and may result in choking.